Hello everyone, standing behind me is an 8x4 14-ton truck-mounted crane that is about to be shipped to Algeria. As a significant economic hub in North Africa, Algeria has an increasing demand for large machinery and equipment. The CLW brand, 8x4 truck-mounted crane, is specifically designed to cater to the needs of our customers. We possess over a decade of experience in the manufacturing of truck cranes. Our design team and advanced equipment are well ahead in China. Moreover, we have extensive export experience. The video you are watching can be communicated in the background wherever you are, as our professionals are dedicated to customizing a model that satisfies you.